Our users asked us about the tutorial with the proper steps of how to use Unschooler and create courses in schools. So I will record this demo. I hope it will take 15 minutes. And later I will break it into the new course. So let's get started. I log in here, provide my email and password. Okay, now I'm here and my plan is AppSumo Lifetime Plan Tier 3. It helps me understand what features I have. Some features have a link. In my plan, Tier 3, I can create white label branded workspace for my students. So let's navigate to the Teach tab. And here I can create my school, set up my logo, this one. I will create a school for AppSumo users with courses how to use Unschooler, how to launch product on AppSumo, and other useful things. So my school will be Unschooler Guides. Also, I will set up my subdomain. It will be guides on schooler.me, and custom domain, it will be unschooler.pro. So I save my school settings. I have to log in to my school because all schools have own login. I will provide here my email that I used for buying Schooler paid plan, then login. And here we go. I'm on my page. I'm a course creator. Can see my name under the course creator title. And also I have students and I can invite members. But let's check our custom domain on Schooler Pro. It gives me the two records for the A and TXT, and status is not live already. It will update in 24 hours, and I will get the notification when this domain will be live. I will copy this record. I will add these records to my Cloudflare. Like this, I will add a record. And also I will add the text record. Some DNS providers required just this suite name, but some of them require the full name. So try two options. So I have added my custom domain. Let's check it. Yeah, so right now it's denied, but it will be live when we add it to our DNS provider. So I save school settings, and I can change anytime this page. So I save all settings, go to the main page, and I will create the first course. Let's create the first course, and it will be about the proper steps of using Unschooler to get most out of it. I create this curriculum, and I will generate this course from my channel, not from the publicly available videos, but from my own videos. Let's check how it works. So it provides me the videos from my channel. Some of them is not really relevant. I will change it. And yes, so it's pretty okay. I can actually regenerate. Let's try again. Okay, it's pretty simple. So let's create this course. I was redirected to the first lesson, and now AI generates the step and description. So it's firstly, it summarizes the subtitles of my video, and then it already creates several steps, and it generates the description. Okay, it's done. And I just click the continue, and this is how generation process working. Just click again and again, and in the step I can check the quality of the content, if it's good or not. We put a lot of efforts to create content with interesting formatting, with different type of content, like with step-by-step guides or examples. It was saying that last 10 days, GPT-4 again became quite slow. Maybe 2 months ago, it works much faster. So we are pretty disappointed. And we will move to our own GPT-4 next month. Maybe it will work better, at least faster. Not better because it's the same. And we will be able to fine-tune these models for our tasks. For instance, in this step, it provides me the practical task with step-by-step guide and solution. So for this particular practical step, we want to fine-tune our model. And it provides me the video. Let's say I don't want this video because this course about my own Unschooler product and I want to delete it. So I go here and delete it. Just to navigate at the bottom of this video with arrows and delete it, or just with function backspace. And here I can provide the step prompt. Additionally, if I want to regenerate it, I can provide more information what about this step should be. Let's come back to the view and generate more steps, more quizzes, so that I will be able to show you how it works for quizzes. We improved a lot of this interface because it works not good. Now it's much better. So I created several quizzes. Let's create again. And as you can see, it provides the prompt the same. So if you want to get a quiz on something specific, please provide into edit mode. Here you can find this step prompt and add information what the question should be. And also this field is for the explanation, correct option. So it works like the provided explanation. I can add something here. And I need to save it. We had before the autosave and it works bad. Our users complaining. So we return to this save changes lesson so that you will not lost your data. My course related to my own content, but something that AI missed. I'm not satisfied with this curriculum and I want to add more. So I can add here the lesson. It will be about the course sections. And we will add here tag, save it. And it will provide the new lesson based on my content. It will work like this only for courses created from own content, not from publicly available YouTube. When we create course from own content, we mark this. And when you create course just selecting here YouTube, it will be automatical and it will not analyze the subtitles. It skip it. It's just paste like link to embedded player and will not provide you the content based on this video. This is important to understand. So if you create this courses from YouTube, it already marked as public and you will not be able to generate subtitles even if you add lesson in this course because it already works differently. Let's dive deeper into the settings because this edit mode can be confusing. There are a lot of information. We will make it less clutter, more simple so that you will not lost in the screen. So we have actually course source. This is the information that you provided while you create the course. You can add up to 10,000 characters here in this field. And it will save here on this course source tab. And also, when we apply the multiple source, you will be able to see your files, your PDFs, your videos that you upload to this multi-source form. So this is like a part that will growing in the future. Also, this is the content. To see this content, you need to select this content by clicking on it. You can change the order. You can change something here and again. And also we have set tab for the course where you can change the state and publish your course. As a draft, you can upload images. Let's try. Okay, let's try this one. Pretty beautiful picture. And I can provide course price. And as you can see, we already have a really beautiful picture, our new cover. And this course is in free state. Let's create something more close to your context. Let's create something about how to find the best deal on. I will generate with the YouTube. Okay, it provides me the curriculum. Let's create it. We have here the description and videos. It suggests us different videos. I'm not sure what I need to. Let's find Jenny. No, I don't see. I'm not sure. So let's generate our own because I want to show our own videos more than YouTube videos because I guess you already sorted out with this functionality. The important thing that I want to tell you is that you can easily change the video after the generating. Maybe you want to return to the YouTube videos because AI doesn't provide you something meaningful or useful. And we get the video. We got a lot of requests regarding to these images, people complaining that is not relevant for the video. My answer is yes, we will add the editor as soon as possible so you will be able to delete them or select all of these pictures by Creative Commons license. We can provide these requirements in the Google search so you can feel it makes safe with this. And also we have our own diagrams. I will check it. Okay, sometimes diagrams is not showing because sometimes AI just skip them or generate it with error. That's why we do not show them. But sometimes it's okay. So when you see these diagrams, this is the feature. We make a bet on this feature and will improve their own visualization. It will be like in our own style, and I believe it can explain some abstract things. Now I create the course and I want to make the final test. It will analyze all curriculum and will provide the test for all topic. Oh, I'm sorry, this is our test. And yes, pretty quickly provide the answers, questions. Actually, it could be better in terms of primary purpose, importance. It can be better if we provide more specific prompt. So we can regenerate it after this monetize course. What is a common method in the online courses? We can change it with the Stripe. Let's try it. Let's go to here, find this step, monetize courses, and let's add that we have Stripe, we have PayPal, and we have I don't know, maybe Google, and delete this. Save. So this is how we can. What is the payment method on school? Yes, right now it works faster than before. Yes, this course was already published. The draft was turned off. And let's try to sell it. Firstly, we need to connect our Stripe. I already connected. I will show you where it could be done. Actually, it could be done in two places, in the own profile or in the school settings. We have payment stub. Then we click and see the regular form for different type of entities, and you will fill in this form. We will see your connected account in our Stripe, and then you will be able to sell your course. Let's try to sell it. We'll get this, provide them price. Here our commission is 0. We do not take anything for tier 3. And then let's log in. I need to start selling this. So I need to share the link. For our own main platform, we have unschooler.me domain, and we need to place embed word in the URL so that replace our branding elements. If you're using your own workspace, you do not need to have this embed things. And the one thing that I noticed today is that we didn't replace this embed thing and embed link. All I need to do is just copy this link to embed, because it already brandless. You don't have this unschooler elements, footer, and other things. So you just copy here and go to the, let's say, Notion and use embedding. For instance, you can explain, and this is not page that I want to share. I wanted to share this one. So let's try again. And I will paste it and create embed. And I will get this unschooler landing page on my Notion, and will be able to, maybe it will be better, this, so that people can explore the curriculum, can see it, and login here. Login here also available, and they will be able not only to navigate to some lesson just from your own web page or landing page, they will be able to track their progress, just navigate to the specific task. Right now, I'm not logging, but when I log in here, let's try it. I should be able to see this page and navigate here and see some content, learn it right there on this page. It is a mobile version, so it's pretty narrow. Also, it would be great if your website allowed pages in full width. In this case, you will be able to show the course in the full width. People will see the side panel. They will be able to navigate here. Even the generation process work here. So when you embed to the page with margins and paddings, it is not really good in terms of usability, because it's like 2 scrolls. So try to use this embedding things with the full width, so that you just replace the whole part with your course. Okay, so I'm the student right now, and I do not see these fields. I don't see the course creation form. I just see the courses. And let's say I want to buy this one. I click to the join and provide my data and pay for this course. The payments will be charged from student and will transfer to the seller, to the course creator, without our additional commission. So let's also try to learn something. Yes, we can see the curriculum and see the paywall. I guess this is it. Let me check. Yes, I think that's it.